Alhamdulillah, my name is Nur Ifatika binti Nohairi. My metric number is 273937. I am going to present to you the introduction of our study. Service providers gone through difficulty in measuring service quality consistently as it is intangible and most notably the inseparable and diverse nature of service. Services are more related to work performance rather than object. The term customer satisfaction has become the prime concern of most organizations to be competitive in the industry. Hence, we are using ServQual method to quantify the perceptions of services in 4 dimensions: functionality, reliability, recovery, and satisfaction. ServQual is a short form of service quality where it is designed to capture consumer expectation and perception of service along a few dimensions that are believed to represent service quality. For our group, we decided to demonstrate the ServQual model by a survey conducted on the customers of delivery services regarding service quality provided by J&T Express. The survey usually asks the customers to give 2 different ratings on each element, where one will review the level of service they would expect from J&T in a given sectors, and the other reviewing their perceptions of the service delivered by J&T Express within the sectors. Next, I'm going to brief a little about the background company. J&T Express is an express delivery company based on top-notch modernized e-technology with the tagline "Express Your Online Business," which positioned their brand as the core of e-commerce express. J&T was founded in 2015 by Jet Li and Tony Chen. After started in Indonesia, they expand their business throughout Asia Pacific. Their mission is significantly realizing a more practical and efficient express service for online business.
Hi everyone, my name is Teo Kai Jing, metric number 275606. Now I want to talk about research method. We are using Google Form doing some survey on the expectation and perception of University Utara Malaysia students to encounter service quality of J&T Express. We provide 42 questions to 30 UM students. Among these 42 questions, there are 21 expectation questions and 21 perception questions. Expectation and perception question has 4 dimensions. First, functionality. Second, reliability. Third, recovery. And fourth, satisfaction. The 21 questions include 5 functionality questions, 5 reliability questions, 6 recovery questions, and 5 satisfaction questions. All questions has 7 choices to respondent from number 1 to number 7. Number 1 is strong agree and number 7 is strong disagree. Finally, we obtain the average difference of results for each service quality dimension. Functionality is 0.69, reliability is 0.48, recovery is 0.2, and the satisfaction is 0.07. The total is 1.44.
My name is Ng Xing Yi, metric number 275512, so I will continue the presentation. In this study, 30 students have participated in the survey and their demographic characteristics have presented in Table 6. The dimension that we studied included the functionality about the J&T Express application, the reliability about the delivery, the recovery about the customer service, and the satisfaction among the consumer. The positive gaps mean a good result, while the negative gaps mean a bad result. So, based on our studies, Table 5 has shown that there is a 1.44 gap between the expectation and perception of student UUM. That means, when they use the J&T Choreo, the service they receive still acceptable and at least there is not a negative result. After that, the highest gap among these 4 dimensions is functionality, which is 0.69. As their result, the survey have shown that J&T Express application can help them to make the delivery process faster, and the application is always up and available, and can help them to track their parcel easily. Then, the lowest gap among these 4 dimensions is satisfaction. That means they are still not satisfied with the service that provided by the J&T Courier. So, by this survey, the J&T manager should focus their attention and effort on those aspects to make a better service quality. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Nakia binti Abdul Khair and my metric number is 273800. For the next part, I'll be talking about the recommendations for further research. Further examination should be completed to improve the comprehension of the ideas of service quality and customer satisfaction, how they are estimated on the grounds that they are significant for service organizations such as productivity and development. A comparable investigation could be led with a bigger sample size so that the outcomes could be summed up to a bigger population. This investigation can be done in any different field services, included multiple discover the appropriateness of the ServQual model delivery services. Further investigations could be done on service quality of delivery services in Malaysia explicitly to evaluate customers' service quality impression of delivery services with comparative size. The use of ServQual scale in-depth analysis model of measuring service quality. Good communication between customers and service provider organizations as well as internal communication of the organization is very important for the level of service quality. It is good when organizations know the patterns of expectations of their customers. Thank you.
So, for the conclusion, we get that the J&T Express services does fulfill perception from the customer's expectation. This concludes that ServQual method proved to be useful for assessing the levels of service quality in any service organization, as the information provided can help the manager to identify which dimension of service quality that can be improved and targeted for the organization satisfy their customer needs. So that's all from us. Thank you.